so her question was, how do we build our avatar today based on the pandemic and what we're working with right now? If you have an existing business, it's easy to pivot your avatars and your marketing plans based on current events. For the purpose of what we're doing today, though, we're showing you evergreen strategies and techniques. So we're not going to address the COVID-19 pandemic in this because it dates this recording, but we want to show you something that is really long-term for your business. So
yep.
That was it.
All right. So let's see. Let me get the next one up here. Losing continuity.
Translation, so it will be a little bit different.
Okay.
We'll put some scriptures on the screen as well. I mentioned earlier,
finding your avatar. So we're ready to start this session, Jen?
7 o'clock
Yep.
tonight, there'll be a
Still recording?
Young adults right here.
Okay.
If you're young at heart, we'd love to have you come back. Fantastic service.
So finding your avatar. This is the second. This is the second session of the workshop, and the reason that this is the one that we're going to next is because, if you remember correctly, we're talking about conversions, we're talking about price points, we're talking about traffic, and not all traffic is equal. You want to make sure that you have targeted traffic. And targeted traffic is really focused in on the right people. You're looking for people who have a problem that you can provide the solution to. That's basically the immediate step. Now, in the last session, we showed you Saddleback Sam. And if we look at Saddleback Sam is highly defined. He's well educated. He likes his job. He likes where he lives. His health and fitness are high priorities for him and his family. Obviously, his wardrobe is not. He'd rather be in a large group than a small one. He's skeptical of organized religion. He's overextended in both time and money. He prefers the casual, informal over the formal. Self-satisfied, even smug about his station in life. He thinks he is enjoying life more now than he did 5 years ago. So this tells you a lot about this guy, right? This tells you a lot about Sam. So what they've done is take a snapshot of their congregation or their audience, and they have created a profile of that person, and this is the kind of person that they're trying to attract into their community. Now, that's the point of an avatar. Jennifer does a really nice job of creating avatars, and we're going to walk through this little 3 slide, actually it's 4 slides here, on the avatar and what you get out of an avatar. And so let's just go through this quickly, and then I'm going to let Jennifer talk about focusing on the avatar creation. And we've got a worksheet, a template and a worksheet for you at the end of this, where you'll go off and create your own avatars for your own niche and for your own business. Now, avatars can be a little scary to start with. Because people think, well, I don't know who my customer is. Well, that's the point. The point is we want to figure out who your customer is. It doesn't mean you're going to be right. It doesn't mean that you're going to be hit it out of the park on the first try. It just means that you're taking a stab at this and you're trying to figure out how to hone in on somebody. And it may be the completely wrong audience. We've done that before. I built my very first product was called Bad Dad, 10 Keys to Regaining Trust. It was a parenting book. And I thought, oh man, every bad father in the world is going to want this book. I never sold it to a father. I never sold it to a man. I sold it to wives. I had no idea that wives and mothers were my primary target on that, because I thought the men were the ones who would want to change. Nope, it was the wives and the mothers who wanted their man to change. So I completely missed that market. But once I saw it, I adapted. So what's an avatar? You market and to own a niche where you become the one to go to. That's the